In 2024, making money online has never been more accessible. One of the most promising avenues is affiliate marketing. By promoting products you love, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique links. Start by choosing a niche that excites you, then build a blog or social media presence to share your insights. Another lucrative option is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming. Craft a standout profile and showcase your best work to attract high-paying gigs. E-commerce is also booming. Consider dropshipping, where you sell products without holding inventory. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up a store and market products directly to consumers. Lastly, explore online courses or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, package your knowledge into a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The demand for online learning is skyrocketing, and you can tap into that trend. By leveraging these strategies, you can carve out your path to financial success in the digital landscape of 2024. Lastly, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I drop business tips at least once a week.